Well, I wouldn't have considered it for the cost and the fact of my age, that I didn't think I'm being very negative, I suppose, but my thought was at my age I wouldn't get the benefit of it. Yes, well, I did talk to solar people at one stage, and when they heard my age, they said it wouldn't pay you to put it on. Oh, absolutely. I sincerely hope, because I honestly believe that the electricity prices are going to fluctuate till it's just going to be terrifying. You can see what's coming. They haven't prepared. But what are they doing for bringing on the alternative? They've talked about it, but they're not moving, they're not doing anything. Oh, absolutely. I've spent my life I've been a registered wildlife carer for many, many years, with kangaroos, wallabies, koalas, puggles. Nature is a very big thing to me, and it breaks my heart to see the clearing that is being done in so many places on good land. The habitat of animals, insects are being taken when there are other areas I feel they could use. But what can you do at my age? It's frightening. It is frightening as to what has come. My only attitude, and once again you've got to look at the positive, and that is the children will grow up in that era and that environment, and they will cope. Whereas you and I, more so me, our lifestyle was so different that the way it's coming is frightening. But the kids will cope.
Yep.
They learn to cope. Red, yes, if that goes red, call them.